Welcome to our video on profiting from AI for beginners in 2024. As we dive into this exciting topic, we'll explore the myriad opportunities that artificial intelligence presents for those just starting out. This video is for anybody, and anybody can be successful profiting from AI with consistency and grit. Stay focused and work on being great at one of the following concepts, and you can find success in the AI industry. In this video, we'll cover various ways you can leverage AI tools and technologies to enhance your skills, boost your career prospects, and even start your own business. From AI-driven marketing strategies to automating everyday tasks, the possibilities are endless. We'll also discuss the importance of staying ahead of the curve as AI continues to reshape industries and create new job roles. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to tap into the potential of AI and position yourself for future success. So, let's get started on this journey into the world of artificial intelligence and discover how you can profit from it. To effectively profit from AI, it's essential to grasp some fundamental concepts. First, let's define key terms. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are algorithms designed to recognize patterns and make decisions based on input data. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows machines to understand and interpret human language, making it possible for us to interact with AI through voice and text. Basically, AI is a self-learning machine that can also communicate with humans. Today, there are various types of AI technologies available, including computer vision, robotics, and predictive analytics. Each of these plays an important role in automating tasks and enhancing decision-making processes across different sectors. The relevance of AI extends far beyond tech companies. It's transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and retail, as well as impacting our daily lives through smart assistants and personalized recommendations. Understanding these basics will empower you to navigate the AI landscape and identify opportunities for growth and innovation. Finding profitable niches within the AI landscape requires a strategic approach. Start by researching current trends in AI applications across various sectors, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. For instance, AI is revolutionizing healthcare through predictive analytics for patient care and personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms are enhancing fraud detection and automating trading processes. Next, analyze market demands and identify gaps that AI can fill. Look for areas where businesses struggle with efficiency or data management, as these often present opportunities for AI solutions. For example, small businesses may need AI tools for customer service automation or data analysis, but lack the resources to implement them. Finally, consider your own skills and interests when choosing a niche. Aligning your expertise with market needs will not only make your venture more enjoyable, but also increase your chances of success. By focusing on a niche that excites you and meets a demand, you can carve out a profitable space in the ever-evolving AI landscape. To successfully navigate the world of AI, beginners should focus on acquiring essential skills and utilizing the right resources. One of the best ways to start is by enrolling in online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udacity, which offer comprehensive programs covering machine learning, deep learning, and data science. These courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and peer interactions to enhance your learning experience. In addition to online courses, consider reading foundational books such as Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig, or Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Géron. These resources provide valuable insights and practical knowledge that will help you grasp core concepts. Moreover, hands-on practice is crucial for mastering AI skills. Engage in projects and coding exercises on platforms like Kaggle or GitHub, where you can apply what you've learned and collaborate with others. By combining theoretical knowledge with practical experience, you'll build a strong foundation in AI that will serve you well in your future endeavors. Building AI projects. Creating AI projects is a fantastic way to apply your skills and potentially generate income. As a beginner, consider starting with simple projects like a chatbot for customer service, a recommendation system for products, or an image classifier using machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These projects not only help you understand AI concepts, but also provide tangible results that you can showcase. Once you've completed your projects, it's essential to present them effectively in a portfolio. Include detailed descriptions, the technologies used, and the challenges you overcame. Visuals, such as screenshots or demo videos, can significantly enhance your portfolio and attract potential clients or employers. Platforms like GitHub or personal websites are great places to host your work. Additionally, collaborating with others can elevate the quality of your projects and broaden your learning experience. Join online communities or local meetups to connect with fellow AI enthusiasts. Working together on projects can lead to innovative ideas and solutions, making your portfolio even more impressive and marketable. Monetizing AI skills. Once you've developed your AI skills, there are numerous ways to monetize them effectively. One popular avenue is freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These sites offer a range of projects where you can apply your expertise, from developing machine learning models to creating AI-driven applications. By building a strong profile and showcasing your portfolio, you can attract clients looking for your specific skill set. Another option is to create and sell AI-based products or services. This could involve developing software solutions, mobile apps, or even AI tools tailored to specific industries. For instance, you might create a predictive analytics tool for small businesses or a personalized recommendation engine for e-commerce sites. Additionally, there's significant potential in consulting and teaching AI concepts. Many organizations seek experts to help them implement AI strategies or train their teams. You can offer workshops, online courses, or one-on-one coaching sessions to share your knowledge. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize the value of your AI skills and projects. Staying updated with AI trends. In the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence, staying updated with the latest advancements is vital for anyone looking to succeed in this field. Following reputable AI news sources such as TechCrunch, MIT Technology Review, and AI-specific blogs can help you stay informed about new technologies, research breakthroughs, and industry trends. Additionally, consider following influential figures in AI on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn to gain insights and perspectives from experts. Posting your own insights consistently on these platforms can help build a following as well. Participating in AI communities and forums is another excellent way to network and exchange ideas. Platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and specialized AI groups on Facebook or LinkedIn provide opportunities to ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with like-minded individuals. Engaging in discussions can deepen your understanding and expose you to diverse viewpoints. Finally, attending workshops and conferences is invaluable for learning from industry leaders and gaining hands-on experience. Events like NeurIPS, ICML, and local meetups offer a chance to hear about cutting-edge research and network with professionals. By actively engaging with the AI community, you can enhance your skills and stay ahead in this dynamic field. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the exciting opportunities for beginners to profit from AI in 2024. We discussed the importance of understanding fundamental AI concepts, identifying profitable niches, and acquiring essential skills through online courses and hands-on projects. We also highlighted various ways to monetize your AI skills, including freelancing, creating AI-based products, and offering consulting services. As you embark on your AI journey, remember that staying updated with the latest trends and engaging with the community is vital for your growth. Now is the time to take action. If you found this content valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and resources on AI and technology. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have about profiting from AI in the comments section below. Your engagement not only helps us improve our content, but also fosters a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.